In March 2026, a hospital in Germany paid $4.3 million in ransom. Their IT department had antivirus running on every single machine. The attackers didn't bypass it with exotic code. They walked right through it. In 3 moves. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what those 3 moves are, because at least one of them may already be active on your device right now. In 2026, the global cybersecurity market is worth $270 billion. Companies like Bitdefender, Norton, and Malwarebytes spend hundreds of millions in advertising every year, selling you one idea, that you are protected. But here's what those ads never show you. A report released this month documented 8,835 confirmed ransomware attacks in a single year, a 53% increase. And the targets weren't careless people browsing the wrong websites. They were hospitals, law firms, school districts, organizations with full IT security teams and enterprise-grade antivirus tools. So how does this keep happening? There are 3 systemic failures built into every antivirus on the market today. 3 exploits that turn your protection into theater. This is a Dark Cyber Exposé. 3 acts. Real 2026 threat data. Let's begin. Act 1. The Endpoint Paradox. Your antivirus protects one thing, the endpoint. The device in your hands. The machine on your desk. Here's the problem. Modern ransomware doesn't attack the endpoint. It attacks the space between endpoints, the shared network, the cloud sync, the corporate drive. Your antivirus stands at the edge of that space, watching the front door, while the attackers come through the window. In April 2026, a threat group called Qilin, linked to attacks on the NHS, global law firms, and hundreds of private organizations, deployed a new payload variant. It didn't touch a single file on the victim's machine until it had already propagated silently across 6 internal network nodes. By the time the antivirus detected the signature, the encryption had already begun on machines that antivirus never touched. The Endpoint Paradox. Antivirus was built to protect a world that no longer exists. We moved to the cloud. The architecture moved with us. The antivirus model didn't. Act 2. The 0-day window. Every antivirus operates on the same core logic. A library. A database of known threats. When something new enters your system, it checks the library. On the list? Blocked. Not on the list? Allowed through. 0-day exploits are threats that don't exist on any list yet. They're new. Unreported. Unknown. To the antivirus vendors, to the security researchers, to everyone except the threat actor who found them. And the window between a 0-day being discovered and a patch being deployed can be weeks, sometimes months. In early 2026, a state-sponsored threat actor known as Handala, responsible for high-profile campaigns across multiple countries, deployed a 0-day targeting Windows 11 machines running Bitdefender Total Security, one of the top-rated antivirus products in the world. The exploit ran invisibly on compromised machines for 23 days. before the patch existed, before the signature was written, before any antivirus on Earth could have stopped it. No protection in the world stops what the rulebook hasn't described yet. Act 3. The human bypass. This is the one antivirus companies never discuss in their ads, because they can't sell you a defense against it. The most sophisticated ransomware campaigns of 2026 don't use malware at all in their first stage. They use you. A calendar invite from your CEO, sent from a domain one letter off. A DocuSign request from your bank. A Zoom link from IT support. All legitimate looking, all weaponized. This is social engineering. An antivirus is completely blind to it, because the attacker isn't sending a virus. They're sending a story. A believable, urgent, contextually perfect story. Once you click, once you authenticate, once you grant access, the attacker is inside your system. With your credentials. With your permissions. With your trust. And your antivirus watches the entire transaction happen and does nothing. Because from where it's standing, you invited them in. Before I show you the 3 layers that actually work, I want to make sure you're subscribed. Not as a favor to the channel, but because this threat landscape is accelerating and the next expose goes even deeper. Hit subscribe. Then let's close this out. So if antivirus isn't the answer, what is? 3 layers. And you need all 3 working together. Layer 1, behavior-based detection. Not all antivirus tools are equal. Legacy antivirus checks signatures. Modern tools monitor behavior in real time, flagging suspicious processes even if the malware itself is unknown. Malwarebytes Premium and Bitdefender Total Security both offer behavior-based engines. It won't stop everything, but it closes the Endpoint Paradox significantly. Layer 2, Zero Trust Architecture. Audit every permission on your machine right now. Which apps have admin access? Which accounts have no MFA? Zero Trust means nothing is granted access by default, including your own login. Multi-factor authentication on every account. Every single one. That 23-day, 0-day window becomes significantly less catastrophic when an attacker needs more than your password to move. Layer 3, social engineering awareness. The human bypass has exactly one defense: knowing the playbook. Before you click any link, check the sender domain character by character. Verify unusual requests through a second channel. Give yourself 10 seconds. That pause is your firewall. It costs nothing. And it stops the attack that no software ever will. Antivirus is not a solution. It's one layer of many, and a thin one. Stack your layers. The math shifts back in your favor. The 2026 threat landscape runs on one rule: assume breach. Not if. When. The people who understand that sleep better at night. Not because they're invincible, because they're prepared. The next expose on this channel covers how law enforcement tracks ransomware operators across dark web infrastructure and where they fail. It's the story they don't want told. Subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the dark.